In this video, we are going to discuss button and waterfall chart new feature which are added in September 2021 Power BI desktop release. Hello and welcome to Learning Science. First, we will start with new formatting option for button. So on my screen, you can see there is a lot of variety of different shapes buttons are available now in Power BI desktop. So we will explore this and later we will see what is the new in waterfall. So let us go to the to do page. So here in the button in the insert menu in the button, these all these buttons shapes are available earlier. Now you can see there is a one additional blank. So just click on the blank and I will increase the size of this blank. And now I will go to shape and here you can see the variety of shapes are available. I will select heart and there is an option if you can change the color, fill color. So I'll choose red color. So now fill color and I will say the shapes shadow and glow. So this kind of, if you want something, you can add the text also. So we will add one more button. So now we will go here and click the new button and we will choose a different shape. So this time we will select the bubble speech. Here in the text, we will write hello and we will increase the size. So if you want to fill color, you know how to fill the color. And we will add one more button. This is the last one. And if you want some navigation from one page to another page and you want an arrow, some customized arrow, then here in this shape, you will see the variety of arrows. Okay, varieties of arrow. So let me select this one. And I will do the fill color something like light blue. And I will say the text, my text will be go. So let me increase some size. So go. Now there will be one more option available. With this button, you can set the some icons also. So again, you go back to and select the blank button here. And if you have some icon or some images for the button, here you go to the icon and here you can select custom. Okay, from the custom, you can choose based on your requirement. So you can see there will be some image I have on my desktop. I choose it here. So this kind of the option, the lot of different kind of the shapes are available. So you explore this. And now we are going to look into this waterfall chart. What is new in the waterfall chart? Earlier there was, if you can see this, my plot is from January to December and there will be the total column. Sometime if the people will not looking very carefully, it is a confusing why this, what is this? Okay, so now in this September 2021 desktop release, this option is available. You can disable this one. So I will show you, you have to go to the y-axis and scroll little down. You will see here there will be the show total. So if you disable it, it will be disabled. Now my plot will be from January to December or whatever you have in the x-axis. The total will be disabled. So please note that these new features are available in September 2021 Power BI desktop release. If you are running low version, please upgrade to September 2021 to explore this new feature. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.